There are 100 days left for 2020 to end. I hope you release yourself from any of your insecurities or fears. I hope you take the chance you were scared to take the other day. I hope you feel like you're enough and strong. I hope you feel that you're capable of achieving everything you've desired. I hope this year you write your own story. I hope you don't write it using someone else's words or through someone else's eyes. I hope you surprise yourself by going that extra limit you've always wanted. I hope you become the main character of your life.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. It would mean a lot to me if you just take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Disclaimer, I'm really sorry for the lighting because I always used to do indoor videos, so I thought it would be good for a change to just come out and shoot here today. So yeah, please excuse that. So the topic for today's Thoughtful Tuesday is how to become the main character of your life. Another disclaimer, I'm not a mentor or a guru or whatever. These are just a few points that I personally use in my life and I think they might help you, and that is the only reason for this Thoughtful Tuesday. So I think some of you have seen those TikToks in which there's this background sound in which a girl says that you need to start romanticizing your life, you need to start becoming the main character of your life, and I think that hit me really hard and I was like, dude, I have to make a video of it.
You have to start romanticizing your life. You have to start thinking of yourself as the main character. Because if you don't, life will continue to pass you by. And all the little things that make it so beautiful will continue to go unnoticed. So take a second and look around and realize that it's a blessing for you to be here right now.
So these are just a little few key points or whatever you want to call it that I personally use in my life, and I think it has helped me a lot in becoming a better person, in living a better life, and if any of these points might help you, it would mean a lot to me. So yeah, that's pretty much the only motive of this video coming up. So at first I want to talk about a few problems that we often do, like a few things that we do not do right. Number one being we always seek validation. I think you should stop seeking validation because that's not how you will become the main character. Sometimes, obviously everybody would have done this. We start creating fake scenarios in our heads, and we imagine us doing this and that, etc, etc. So why not sometimes you make a fake scenario of your real life, like you being the main character in it, and you're doing everything that makes your life happier. Because if you'll start, everything starts from here, okay? Just get this straight in your head. Everything starts from here. If this is not right, if this is not on the right track, nothing will work. तुम्हारी थिंकिंग ही गलत होगी या फिर बुरी होगी तो तुम्हारी लाइफ कैसे अच्छी हो पाएगी इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. सो आई थिंक नंबर वन थिंग इज योर थॉट प्रोसेस दैट शुड बी नाइस. यू शुड not seek validation from a lot of people because then you rely on them. You'll be like, हाँ मुझे कुछ भी करना है, I have to rely on that person, I have to ask that person that is this right or is this wrong. That person might not be always there for you. The only person who will always be by your side will be you yourself. So stop seeking validation. Stop saying that you're not deserving of something. I guess that is the first point of acceptance. The only thing, if you'll start accepting your life the way it is, it'll get more and more beautiful day by day. You need to stop feeling responsible for everything happening around you. You should stop feeling responsible for things you don't have any control on. Take the first step into this journey because obviously this is a journey. This is not a one-day task कि एक बारी कर लिया and सब set हो गया. You need to have patience. You need to give this time. There was this really beautiful quote I read the other day. It says, "Life is too short to be at war with yourself." You should just accept what it is and move on. So when you and your mind are in two different entities always, your mind is creating bad scenarios for you, always popping up these negative thoughts or whatever, I don't think your life will ever get into the path of getting better. The first thing you need to clear is this place. You need to get all the bad thoughts, negative, whatever it is, just out of your head. You need to stop thinking that you're not deserving of the best, because you are. Even though you don't like feel that way right now, even if you can't see it coming or whatsoever, you are deserving of the like literally of the best things in the world. You deserve every best thing around. Now let's start by discussing how to change all these bad points, starting from number 1, will to change. Okay, I won't be taking names because obviously I don't want to. There are a lot of friends of mine who are not in a good mental space right now or whatsoever. Not in that sense, in just the basic sense. They just don't feel like their life is perfect or their life is fine or their life is amazing, because see, life is not perfect. Everybody knows this. But you need to get the best out of it, right? Yeah, so there are a lot of people whom I know who are not in that good space right now, and whenever I try to like work with them or try to make them realize what they're missing at or whatsoever, the first thing that they tell me is that they've tried everything and it's not working. If you've tried, like if you literally would have tried everything, I bet you कि कुछ ना कुछ तो बदलता. ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि तुम सब कुछ ट्राई कर लो और तुम्हारी लाइफ में कुछ भी चेंज ना है, बिकॉज दैट इज़ नॉट हाउ इट्स डन. यू शुड हैव अ विल टू चेंज. अगर आपका मन ही नहीं होगा बदलने का आपकी इस सैड डिप्रेस्ड वियर्ड लाइफ को, तो आई डोंट थिंक वो कभी बदल पाएगी. चीज़ें 10 करने की इज लेटर ऑन. Number 1 like comes from the will to change. Okay, I didn't know all of these things until I had the will to change. I was like, no man, forget this. I need to get my life on track. What am I doing with my life? Problem, realization of the problem, solution. Working on the solution. That is how it works. The next thing you need to do is believe, because it might take a lot of time and you might get frustrated during this whole process, because obviously you're just working and not getting an outcome out of it sucks, I know. But you should just keep on believing that it will someday. You need to tell your mind that it will, because this is what controls the whole of you. If you can master this, you can do anything in this world. Trust me. Number 3, you need to have patience. Patience is the key. Uske bina kuch nahi hai. Now let's start with the main points what you need to do. Whenever you feel like you're having a negative thought, it's clicking in your head, you need to observe your thoughts. Now it always starts from observing. I'm not asking you to change it. What are the things that are causing that thought? Stop doing that thing. Stop looking at those things. So the main point of me saying is, do not dissect the thoughts or whatever. Just analyze them, okay? Just observe what is happening inside your brain. Point number 2 being, you need to know the importance of present. We often live in the regret of yesterday or the fear of future. And इस चक्कर में हम present जीना भूल जाते हैं. It's like पुराना regret, या तो तुम पुरानी बातें regret करते रहोगे उन्हें याद कर करके, या तो कल क्या होगा सोच सोच के, and तुम लोग को समझ नहीं आ रहा है अभी what you're missing at. Dude, 2020 खत्म होने में सिर्फ 100 days बचे हैं. But it's just 100 days left. Another year just gone like that. What are you doing with your life? Living in the regret of yesterday, dude. अगर तुम लोग उस जगह से ही बाहर नहीं निकल पाओगे, तुम्हें पता नहीं है कितनी सारी possibilities तुम्हारा वेट कर रही हैं, कितने सारे लोग तुम्हारा वेट कर रहे हैं, कितनी सारी चीज़ें वेट कर रही हैं. बट जब तक तुम उस रिग्रेट से नहीं निकलोगे और उस fear of future को as a challenge लेके नहीं आगे बढ़ोगे, nothing will happen. You need to stop living in the past. You should always know that what you are expecting from yourself is not what others are expecting from you. So if you're judging yourself from this perspective, you should stop it. Learn to let go. Things happened, everything changed, whatever happened. Now you cannot turn that back. You cannot change it. Why are you still holding on? Is it affecting any other person? It's not. It's just affecting you, your present, and nobody else. So you need to learn to let go. Try this for 1 week. There's this quote which says, today I will not stress on things I cannot control. You can get this quote on Pinterest or Google, wherever you want to. Just make it your wallpaper for a few days. So whenever, because phone is the most frequent thing we use, whenever you see that, I guess it'll just be a reminder for you that you have to stop stressing on things that you cannot control. You get what you deserve. जो भी होगा अच्छा ही होगा. So you should like have patience for everything, as I said earlier, and you should just stop stressing or stop blaming yourself for the things you cannot control. Another point being, ask yourself that are your fears real? Last and the foremost point, you have nothing to lose. You're the main character. You decide what you get, you decide what you don't get. You decide what you lose, you decide what you keep with yourself. You need to realize this as soon as possible that you are the main character. The thought that you're already the main character, you just need to become aware of it. Some of you are still stuck with a heartbreak, like a relationship wala heartbreak. Some of you are still stuck with the failure that you got. सोच के डर नहीं लगता कि पूरी लाइफ ऐसे ही निकल जाएगी, यही सोचते सोचते कि God, why cannot I move on, or you know, or I didn't get into this college, or etc etc. इस पास्ट के fear, इस पास्ट के regret को लेके तुम आज जीना भूल जाओगे. You're not living what you are getting right now. Isn't that the worst that can happen? तुम अपना present lose कर रहे हो, nothing else. You need to change. You need to change your life right now. If anybody who's watching this video and is not, you know, is at this stage where they criticize their life again and again, whenever you criticize one thing in your life, just pause a moment and think about it. कि मैंने अभी अभी इस चीज़ को criticize करा. एक दिन में तुम अपने आप को कितनी बार criticize करोगे, सोच के देखना. It will scare the shit out of you. क्रिटिसिज्म ही भर रखा है हमारी लाइफ में. अगर हम हमारी एनर्जी इतनी नेगेटिव रखेंगे, नथिंग वुड विल हैपन टू अस. यू नीड टू चेंज. Also, I want to suggest you one book and one movie that you should literally watch and read. The book that you should read is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, and the movie that you should watch is Inside Out, because I think ये दोनों में ही तुम्हें बहुत सारी इमोशनल वैल्यूज एंड यू नो बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चलेंगी. दे आर वेरी वेरी सूदिंग एंड हेल्पफुल इन मैनी वेज वी डोंट इवन नो. And I hope you realize that it's high time that you need to change your life, because you're just wasting every single moment that is passing by. You're just wasting every single second thinking about one thing you cannot change, one thing that has already gone. Right now, there are a lot of people who are living their dream, who are traveling wherever they can, who are spending time with their family and friends, who are enjoying, who are having just a karaoke night at their place. Maybe making their favorite dish, having their favorite pastry, or probably a favorite drink. There are a lot of people which are actually living their lives, which are actually becoming or have become the main character of their life. Start living your life. Enjoy. This is a blessing that you've got. Everything around you. Just start living your life. Stop criticizing it. Stop thinking about the negative things in life. Think beautifully, and then just wait and see the change that it brings into your life. Yeah, that was it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Please also suggest me some more ideas which you want me to speak about. I'll just be sharing my experiences or things that I have personally taken in consideration in my life, which have changed my life in whichever way possible. I hope it does to you too. I hope this video helps you in whatever way. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, because it literally takes nothing to just click on that subscribe button. See you soon.